In this segment of the Word tutorial for Office 365, I'll demonstrate how to insert comments in a document. So let's suppose that you're collaborating with others in your office or with your team, and somebody sent you this document, and now you want to make comments in this document. So one of the options is, as you're reading the document, you can select specific words or paragraphs for that matter. So then you can go under the review area here, the review tab, click on new comment. And then on the right hand side, this is where you can type your comment. Now the other thing that you can do is you can actually enable track changes in this document. So you click on track changes, and at this point, if you prefer to delete certain areas, and then you simply type whatever needs to be changed, the system at this point will track all the things that you are changing. So you can choose to show the track changes. Notice by default it will be in red here on the left, and it will highlight by you clicking on to show the track changes. And you can add new sections as well. Now, the reviewer, on the other end, when they receive or they review these notes from you, they have an opportunity to go through each one of them, and they can accept those changes or reject those changes. So accept and move to the next, accept and move to the next, or they can accept all of them as well if they just previewed them first. Or they could reject and move to the next. And that's how you can collaborate among other users. Now, typically, those changes on the right here, it would have the name of the individual and the time when they edited that item. You can also reply to their comments or resolve those comments. This is kind of very similar to the Google Docs functionality. Now, notice as you're working on this, there are a couple other options here. To view the document with all the markups, meaning all these notes and content and suggestions and modifications and that type of stuff, or you can view the original without any of these changes, or just a simple markup here and there without too many notes. Now, before you send the document to somebody else, you need to make sure that you clean all of those markups and approve them so that the comments do not get sent to the final reviewer or whoever is going to access this stuff. And in order to clean up the document of any personal information or any of these comments, you can do that by clicking here on File, and you go under Info for the file, and then you choose to inspect the document. Choose Inspect here. You need to save the changes first. Let's say you don't care for these other document properties, your name and that type of stuff, how long it took, but yet we want to remove all the comments, revisions, and so on. We click on Inspect, and then remove all the comments and notes about the comments. Reinspect it again. And now it is safe for you to send this document to your audience, and they will not be able to view any of those comments that you had made while working with your team.